Hey guys, welcome back. I haven't made a YouTube video in like 3 days because I've been on vacation. And I bought a giant Pokemon box. At my vacation, I went to Branson. But our hotel had terrible Wi-Fi, so I could not make a video there. So, I hope you guys enjoy. And yeah, that's the box. And as you can tell, I've been eating Skittles. I just opened the pack. I have like 2 Skittles. I have no idea, but I'm very ready to unbox this, and I already opened it to get ready for the video because that was really hard to open. I didn't have like scissors or anything, so I had to like rip it open. Try to open it fancily. I did a pretty good job. See, I did pretty good. But yeah, let me get the box ready, and I'll show you guys. I have to pause the video because I'm gonna have to get ready. This is the only video I've ever planned, so yeah. Okay, guys. You're probably seeing my TV and my dresser, so but you can still see the box. So this is the box. I got a badge right here, and let me open this up. Wow, that's amusing. That was so lame. I don't know. Leave that right there. Here's the box. Oh, here's it. Oh, I forgot to tell you. It's like a zygarde box. So I got zygarde. There's like different types of zygarde, I think, because I have a dog one too. But there's like the real one. So I got the badge, card. You might not be able to see it. I don't know. One of my light bulbs went out, so it's kind of hard to see if you watch my last Pokemon video. Then better lighting. It's the code to get points online. I got Sun and Moon, another Sun and Moon, and a Breakthrough. So let's open this one. How did that card this way? There. Okay, so got an what is that? A metal energy, a nest ball, Dartix, and I heard that a Alolan Persian. I do not know what Alolan is, so if you guys know what it is, leave it down in the comments so I know. Oh my god! Are you serious? No way. This is insane. I got a... What? Oh my god. I got a Lunala GX. It's like the best one in Sun and Moon. Oh my god. That's insane. I'm gonna keep that right there. It's like the best card so far. Hold on. Let me get this out of the way. Sit on the ground. That's epic. And it was in the first pack too. That's great. I got a pincer, a reverse pincer, a cutter, Cutterfly, Drowsy, Rowlet, and then another Alolan or whatever, Greamer, and Sparrow. I cannot believe I got a Lunala GX. That's insane. That is insane. This is a Breakthrough. Nope. Drop the card. Okay, there. That's the right way. Staryu. A Cyndaquil. A Panpour. I already have like, I don't know, they seem like common. I got a Froakie. Bronzor. That is the same type as my energy. I got a Snubble. I already have a Snubble. A Simpor. Or Simpior. A Cacturn. Or what is that? Cacturn, yeah. Cacturn, whatever. A Mewtwo Spirit Link. I cannot talk today, guys. And a Vanillish. So that's my second pack. I have one pack left. And my dog. My dog just forgot about me. How dare he? But anyways, we got this pack to open. There's Luna right on the pack. Right there. On the sun and moon. I do the like card trick or whatever. I got Metapod. I just wanted to make sure, you know, because like a lot of Pokemon people do it, and like people or don't. Like I see the comments are like, why don't you do the trick? If you hear me like chewing, I'm not chewing on gum. I'm like eating Skittles. I love Skittles. That's a Grand Bull. And I got a Stuffle. Litten. Torkoal. Sorry guys, I cannot talk today. A Yungoos. Another Rowlet. Are these like regular rares or what? What is this? It's a reverse Charjabug. I have no idea what that is. Never seen that before. And a Stoutland. Never got that. Oh, I got a Dark Energy. Nice. I need that. And, ooh, I got a Team School Grunt. Nice. That's good. So, I got like 30 cards. No. I got an extra one in one of them, so I have 31 additional cards. I have no idea why I got an extra one. That's really weird. But I'm not complaining. That's good. I just grabbed 2 of the same Skittles, and I dropped them on the floor. That's great. Sorry, I had to go get them. Ew, there was like hair on. Ugh. Ew. I got hair in my mouth. Ew. I wash it down with Mountain Dew. That's good. You put Skittles and Mountain Dew in your mouth, it tastes really good. I do like a lot of things like that. Candy and pop. I just did Skittles and Mountain Dew, and one time I did like a cherry sucker. I had Dr. Pepper, so I like poured Dr. Pepper on it. It tasted really good. It sounds gross, but it's good. So, I got some nice cards. I got, if I can find it, I got a Team Skull Grunt, which is good. That's my first team I ever got. I got a Lunala GX, which is like one of the 2 best cards in the game. What's the other one? I don't remember his name. I don't remember it. Literally, it got an attack. Freaking like one-shot anything. It says like it'll knock out the opponent immediately, which is good. I might do like a card just fell. I'm probably gonna do a like Pokemon battle one day or something. So yeah, you guys should watch that. Usually my Pokemon videos are like really short and really boring. This one's 9 minutes and 22 seconds. 24, 25, 26, 27, 28. But this is the first video I've ever like fully planned. This reminds me of like if you're seeing like a villain with this cat in his hands. He's just like this, and he just rolls around and he's like, well, look who I came. This is so obvious. If you've ever seen like a baby Scooby-Doo, they always do that. Sorry, I jumped on the chair and everything fell. But anyways, probably gonna make that video of me battling. When I went to Branson, where I got all this, I went to Krispy Kreme. I got like a lot of cool crap. I don't know how crap is cool, but I got it. Little Mega Box Minion. I got pig in a minecart, zombie in a minecart. They're all just falling to the floor. Cave spider with whatever those are. Webs. I don't know what that took me so hard to think. I played Minecraft like 5 minutes ago. Skeleton with a pumpkin head. Zombie with like some stupid word. Oh, let me find it. With spectacle damage. Yeah. Oh, I got some spectacle damage. But yeah. Whatever. And I got like little books. This is the Minecraft book. I got like all of them. It's gonna take a while to unfold it. All those. Just a lot. And it's really hard to fold back in. You gotta like bend it all over. It's really annoying. There, got it. Oh, I went to Branson. There's all these like high schoolers in line. And the line, we were waiting in line for 1 hour. I was thirsty, I took a drink, and I bottle flipped it, and I made it on my first try. One of the teenagers saw. It was like, me and that kid who just made the bottle flip on his first try were the only ones to see that. Everyone, and all his friends were like, whoa, and they looked, and they're like, oh. One of them, like, they're acting all crazy, and they're, like, telling me to flip it over my head. I miss it every time, though. I always try to do that. I'm terrible at bottle flipping, though. But speaking of it, I must be good at, like, doing it on my first try, though, because I flipped my Mountain Dew bottle and I made it. I flipped that water bottle, that story I just told you about. I flipped it and I made it on my first try, and I made this on my first try. So, I always get, like, luck on my first try. Like that Pokemon pack, I got luck in my first pack. And now the card's covered in Mountain Dew because I didn't close the bottle good. But that's all I did. So I went to Branson and I bought you guys all this stuff to show you guys. I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and whatever. I'll put on my Krispy Kreme hat to end out the video. By the way, everything here, Pokemon, Skittles, Mountain Dew, none of this is sponsored, or Krispy Kreme. None of it is sponsored, but they're all delicious. Well, Pokemon cards are good, but don't eat Pokemon cards. Don't. Just don't. That's stupid. Yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed this video and enjoy Skittle. Oh, this camera's weird. Yeah, enjoy Skittle. So, hope you guys enjoy. And I'll see you next time. Goodbye. Ow! These needles. Oh! Ow! It fell out. Oh my gosh. Ugh. Ow!